Do 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 do. Hello, hello, boys and girls. Guten Abend, Frau und Mädchen, Damen und Herren. That's for the guy that asked me today if people from Germany or Deutschland could enter the photo contest, and the answer that I gave him was Jawohl. So anybody could enter this photo contest before starting the photo contest. I sound like a commercial all of a sudden, like that guy from the ShamWow commercial. I have the camera. I am giving away in this photo contest a brand new camera and lens. I'll show that to you shortly. But first, I have to show you my new pride and joy, which came from Robert's camera today. And this is, by the way, my own handmade camera strap. But the important thing is this fine piece of precision excellence. Just my new X Pro 3 Fujifilm, and I chose black because I wanted it to match my heart, which is also black now. Very, very nice. Of course, I added the gold button. It makes it go faster when you add the gold shutter release button. Yes, yes, yes. By the way, on this photo contest, every contest, nobody partakes to read in the description below the rules of the contest. And there's not a lot of rules. I mean, they're basically only two rules. Very, very, very simple. One is where you post the images, and number two, you know, what the contest is about. And people have been begging me for the last 3 photo contests, and I haven't done one recently, for landscapes. They like clawed my eyes out, and so of course I must relent to consensus and have the photo contest be landscapes. So let's go over the photo rules. But before, yes, I will be with you shortly, my dear. My beautiful X Pro 3, I will be with you very, very shortly. You see, I'm even charging you up some fresh batteries. Okay, sorry about that. I'll edit that out of this video. The photo contest is for this. I have not even taken it out of the box. It is a gold color, by the way, or what they call champagne. It's really kind of goldish, kind of like light goldish color. It is the brand new IN BOX Fujifilm XT100 with the 15 to 45 lens. So there is a not refurbished, not used, brand new IN BOX Fujifilm. I'm rubbing it like Aladdin and his magic lamp there, right? A brand new Fujifilm camera lens. The contest will end this Sunday night. Let me go over the rules. And please listen to the rules, or at least please read the description. I said description because I'm really sleep deprived. Sorry about that. I have not had any decent sleep in a couple of weeks. It's just been so incredibly busy. Lead you the rules of the photo contest. They're very simple, and the rules are also below. The theme of the photo contest is landscapes, not downtown cityscapes, which of course is also outdoors. Rather outdoors, you know, like grass and trees and sand and mountains and, you know, mosquitoes and stuff like that. Obviously, the city off in the distance is still technically a landscape shot, and so must technically qualify. What we're looking for here is mostly nature, not you know, human-made landscape. You know, like mostly buildings and stuff like that. In other words, you could still have the man-made stuff, like, you know, a barn, you know, in the middle of a field. You know, that's man-made, but I mean, it's still it's landscape shot. The point being is this is not like urban street landscape, which is a kind of landscape, right? So it just needs to be mostly Mother Nature, au naturel, right? And no humans. Obviously there can be humans in the shot, but I mean, it's not meant to be like, you know, Sally Joe, you know, standing out in the middle of a field. I mean, humans are not meant to be the primary subject. That is technically not landscape photography. That is, you know, someone out in nature. Even though nature is all part of it, including the human being, a landscape shot is a landscape shot. Well, if you have a person out in nature, that's technically a portrait shot done out in nature. So, I mean, I think this is really simple to understand. So, contest ends Sunday, December 22nd at midnight Eastern Standard Time. The reason why it's so short, you've already got the shot that you want to do. You already got it. You've already done it. Of course, any camera can enter except for, you know, no Androids or no cell phones. It needs to be a real camera of some kind, even if it's a little camera like this. By the way, this is also a Fujifilm camera. I said the winner gets this brand new XT100 and kit lens. Anybody can enter anywhere. The only places where I will not ship this is because I'm not made out of money. Money is if you live on like what is it, Cape Murdo or whatever, somewhere in if you are a scientist working in Antarctica. I can't ship this to Antarctica, and I can't ship it to the North Pole. But I mean, anywhere else, like last contest winner, I shipped to Canada. Several Canadians said, can Canadians enter? It's like, well, there's several Canadians well, actually 2 Canadians in the past have won photo contests. The second primary rule is no Facebook or Instagram links. Okay, no Facebook, no Instagram. It needs to be something everybody could click on because a lot of other people like to see your pictures. And it needs to be no Dropbox links either. No Facebook, no Instagram, no Dropbox link. Something simple that's easy to click on like Flickr or 500 pics. Your own private website, your own private blog, but no Instagram, no Facebook. Use any camera you wish. Like I said, just no cell phone pictures. Only one picture per person per entry allowed. I mean, you're only allowed to submit one. Pick which one you want to enter for it. Now, the winner will be announced late in the evening sometime on Monday, December the 23rd, in a new video based upon independent judging from 3 judges. 5 finalists will be announced. The second and third place winner will also get stuff, but I'm going to tell them what it is at the time. I've already got it over there, but I don't want to discuss that now. But there are some cool second and third place winner. Obviously, it's not a camera because I'm not made out of money. I have, brand new camera and lens. So I think people can understand that. Anybody, anywhere can enter. And, well, anyway, so it'll be ending December the 22nd at 12 midnight Eastern Standard Time. And I always call my live streams Tattooed Monkey live streams because that's what I think a lot of people call me. And so, as a perfect end to this video, I think I should include a laughing monkey that my buddy sent me who lives up in Jersey. Yeah, so here's the laughing monkey as the end of this video. This is what sleep deprivation will do to you. I can't grab it. Come on, okay. I don't want people thinking I'm too crazy. Just slightly crazy, not too crazy. And this video is not sponsored by anybody. I just, when I get done making this video and uploading it for people to submit their contest entries, I am going to finish setting up. Someone screen grab this. Screen grab. Finish setting up my new X Pro 3 Fujifilm camera. Yes, I actually kissed the camera. Thank you so much. As they say in Russia, большое вам спасибо, увидимся. And also too, ну и тоже, if you live in Russia, yeah, you'd enter also. I can, you like, go to the post office and, if you're the winner and you live in St. Petersburg, в Москве, Симферополь, Ялта, не знаю, какой говоря. Vladimir, because that's where I went to school, is Vladimir, 130 kilometers на север с Москвы. It doesn't matter where you live at, as long as you ain't living in Antarctica, because like that camera would probably cost $1,000 to ship to the science station in Antarctica. I can't afford that. I can't afford it. I'm not made out of money. Far from it. So, good luck on the contest, and make sure, please God, read the rules below on the photo contest, because a lot of people don't read the rules. I think I made everything succinctly clear. Now it's just you and me, Mrs. X Pro 3. Chicka pow wow, chicka pow wow. Bye.